Hello, good morning again. We're back live. Kasi yung live natin kanina medyo malabo. Hindi, mahina pala, mahina. So we will try it again. So ngayon ay pauwi na tayo. We are in Glen Waverly, going back to the western suburbs, Derrimut. Yung trip natin will be 1 hour and 1 minute. So it's now 11:21 AM in Melbourne, Australia. And nag-live tayo kanina pero mahina yung audio kasi malakas yung background doon sa restaurant. So sorry about that. Anyway, ituloy ko lang yung dinidiscuss natin kanina. So ang updates natin is that we have now finished 4 weeks or 4 games per team. So each team will have another 3 games left on the elimination round, starting this Sunday. So yung schedule natin is nakapost na sa Facebook natin, yung schedule ng teams na maglalaban this Sunday. And also just a reminder na kung sino man yung naka-assign sa committee, please take note as well based sa schedule natin. So the way it works, ganito yun, no? So we have 4 games. So yung first game, ang magko-committee sa kanila is yung second game. Okay? Ngayon, yung second game naman, ang magko-committee sa kanila is yung teams na naglaro sa first game. Same with the third and fourth game. So third game, ang magko-committee is yung fourth game. Fourth game, ang magko-committee is yung third game. So team captains, if you could assign yourself or one more player para sa ating committee, that would be good. The reason for this is bayanihan na lang, tulong-tulong. Sa pagko-committee natin, we need people para sa ating obviously sa ating score sheet, para sa ating 24-second shot clock, announcer, and we also need yung ko-control ng ating video cameras. So usually pag wala kaming laro yung team ko, ako naman yung tumatao doon sa video cameras. Okay? Now maraming salamat dun sa mga nag-volunteer for the past few weeks doon sa ating score sheet, sa ating committee. It's very important dun sa mga nagtatali ng stats sa ating score sheet. Make sure na maayos po yung ating paglagay, yung points, offensive rebound, defensive rebound, blocks, assists, steals. Kasi as you all know, pinopost po natin yan every week, yung ating stats. Siyempre yung mga players gusto rin nilang makita yung stats nila, kung ilang points sila, ilang rebounds, ilang assists, blocks, etc. So make sure na maganda po yung accurate po yung pagtali natin dun sa ating score sheet. As I said earlier, without our sponsors, hindi possible itong tournament natin. So we should be I would like to thank them, and also please support our sponsors as well. We have Mighty Finance Home Loans under Miss Bernardine Harrison. So if you need any home loan, renovation, reconstruction, new home loan or new property, refinancing, etc., just contact Miss Bernardine Harrison. We have Amy, Migration and Education, dun sa para sa inyong visa, any visa needs that you have, tourist visa, student visa, whatever visa, partner visa, kung ano pa bang visa yan, you just contact Ruby Tan, Miss Ruby Tan of Amy Education and Migration. Free po yung ating initial consultation, so samantalahin na po ninyo yan. Meron tayong free 1 hour initial consultation. And then Gilas Legends under Mr. Dave Villapasente. So good news is na-approve na po yung mga visa ng ating mga players. So tuloy na po yan, yung ating Gilas Legends Basketball Exhibition Game sa July 19, Killer Stadium. I think it starts at around 5 p.m. So $120 VIP, kasama na dyan yung meet and greet. So pwede na rin kayo magpapirma sa mga players natin. And we have a promotion for our group. So if we get, or if we buy 10 tickets, we will get 1 extra ticket free. That means 11 yung makukuha nating ticket instead of 10. So yung 11 na buyers, ang paghahatian nila o ibabayaran lang nila is 10 tickets. So more or less meron tayong discount per ticket na around $10 to $11. So if you need any tickets, just let me know, contact me, okay, so I can provide you with the tickets. Okay, next is my Panyero van rentals and auto mechanic. So if you need repairs sa sasakyan ninyo, or kailangan nyo ng van, lalo na ngayon winter season, gusto nyo pumunta ng Mount Buller or sa snow places, just contact Mr. Andy of Panyero Auto Mechanics and Van Rentals. Next will be Triple R Rideshare and In Essence Photography. So yung Triple R Rideshare is under me, and then yung In Essence naman is under my daughter Diane Rayo. So if weddings, birthdays, or for whatever events, if you need a photographer, just contact Diane Rayos sa Instagram niya or sa ating website. So yung website naman natin is nakapost na dyan sa ating Facebook page. And then we have Van Beveren Lawyer. So if you need any legal advice for whatever reason, just contact Mr. John Van Beveren of Van Beveren Lawyers. Okay, and then we have VMS Detailing under Mr. Virgil Senense. If you need, or kung meron kayong bagong kotse, second hand na kotse, lumang kotse, gusto nyo maging makintab yan, patanggal yung mga gas-gas, you have to contact Mr. Virgil Senense, VMS Detailing. Okay, so meron pa ba ako nakaligtaan? InvestLink. So InvestLink under Mr. Tony Barton. If you need any property na pwede nyo nang lipatan kaagad, turnkey solutions, ready to go, just contact InvestLink under Mr. Tony Barton. So please support our sponsors. Kung wala sponsors natin, hindi possible yung ating tournament. Okay, okay, so this Sunday meron tayong 4 games sa Subsed, and as far as our standing is concerned, nakapost na rin yan sa ating Facebook page, yung standings ng mga teams. First place is Amy Education and Migration, King Captain Kevin Gruspe, clean record sila, 4-0, wala pa silang talo. And then number 2 is Gilas Legends, 3 wins and 1 loss. Ang loss lang nila is yung against Amy. And then we have 4 teams tied sa 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th place. Pare-parehas sa mga teams na yan na may 2 wins and 2 loss. Diyan ang Van Beveren, VMS, Triple R and InvestLink. So 4-way tie yan sa 3rd to 6th place. And we have the 7th place is Mighty Finance, 1 win, 3 losses, 7th place. And then 8th place is Panyero Auto Mechanics, 0 wins, 4 losses so far. So unfortunately wala pa silang panalo, pero just keep on trying. I'm pretty sure na magkakaroon kayo ng win. Now in terms of the tournament format natin, so we have 8 teams playing 7 games each. After the elimination round, yung 7th and 8th place will be eliminated, and then yung 1st and 2nd place will go straight to the semifinals. Okay, so ang maglalaban ngayon sa quarterfinals is yung 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 kakalabanin niya yung 6, 4 kakalabanin niya yung 5, and then obviously meron diyang dalawang matatalo, may dalawang teams na matatalo, so they will be eliminated. And then we will go sa ating semifinals. So yung first seed will play against the winner of the 4th and 5th. Okay, sino man mananalo sa 4th and 5th, kakalabanin nila yung number 1. And then yung number 2, kakalabanin niya yung winner ng 3rd and 6th. Yan ang ating semifinals. Yung winners will go to the finals, and then the losers will go to the battle for 3rd. Now we are planning as well after the eliminations, or maybe isingit natin yan sa ating semifinals. Meron tayong 3-point shootout. So yung mga magagaling dyan tumira ng 3 long range 3 points, just let me know. Meron tayong 3-point shootout. And then we will also have our all-star games. I will need the team captains to nominate 2 players each para sa ating all-star game. So sa all-star game, obviously meron dyang medals, and meron din tayong trophy para sa ating all-star game MVP. And naman sa tournament, we will also have our regular season MVP award, and the finals MVP award as well. And we will have cash prize sa ating winning team, and then we will also have trophies obviously para sa mga teams, and medals para sa players. So yun ating tournament format. Now I would like to announce very good news. I'm not sure kung narinig nyo kanina, medyo maingay kasi yung background, but nag-usap na kami ni Madam Bernardine, and she has decided na mag-sponsor pa rin sila sa ating next season, which is really good news. So ito na yung ating summer tournament. It will start tentatively late November or early December. So magpo-post ako ng announcement shortly, and if you want to join our summer tournament, you can just join the chat, yung group chat na i-create natin para sa ating summer tournament. Now pakiusap ko lang dun sa mga lalagay yung gumagawa ng ating score sheet, na please try to be as accurate as possible. Kung points, lagyan natin sa points column. Pag nakatira ng free throw, of course 1, ilalagay natin 1. Pag nakashoot ng 2-point shot, 2 ilalagay natin. At pag nakatira ng 3-point shot, 3. Now meron din tayong ibang stats. Yung OR is the offensive rebound, DR is defensive rebound, and then we have blocks, steals, and assists. So yung ating individual and team records stats, lagi natin pinopost yan. Siyempre yung players, they are also curious to know kung ano yung performance nila during the game. So let's make sure lang na accurate yung ating score sheet. Okay, but so far you're doing a good job. Okay, so on a personal note, I would like to thank yung mga tumulong para sa aking kapatid who is now undergoing chemotherapy para sa kanyang stage 3 cancer. So yung nagbigay, so thank you very much. Malaking tulong yan, and I'm pretty sure matutuwa yung kapatid ko sa kahit munting amount man lang, o doesn't really matter. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yan, malaking tulong na po. So again, thank you very much sa mga lahat na nag-contribute. Okay, now if, as you know, this is our first tournament, so kung meron man po kaming pagkukulang, pasensya din na po. Just let us know if you have any suggestions or recommendations, and I will discuss it with the rest of the admin team. Okay, ang goal po natin is maging successful sana yung tournament natin para mag-enjoy naman lahat. Pero as you know, Sunday we are all making an effort na makalaro every Sunday. So usually Sundays is a rest day or labada day, plancha day, or whatever, household chores day, church day, family day, etc. etc. Pero nag-e-effort pa rin kayo na makapaglaro because you love to play basketball, so and I appreciate that. One last note sa games natin, just make sure po na to be careful. I'm not sure if you heard about it, but meron pong na-injured last Sunday sa ating one day tournament. Hindi po sa atin, sa iba po yun, na-injured sa one day tournament. It was really a serious injury sa leg or sa ankle. So sana iwasan lang po natin na para maiwasan natin na magkaroon ng injuries or accidents. Protect yourselves at all times, protect your teammates, and protect your opponents. Yun lang po. So that's it for now. I hope everyone's having a good time so far. So two more sleeps and we will be back sa Footscray 417 Barclay Street, Footscray, for our 5th game in the eliminations. For the meantime, ingat po and I'll see you there. Okay, bye now.